This home for sale in Baton Rouge is in the Shadow Lake Subdivision. Beautifully remodeled in a modern classic look, this is one that you will not want to miss seeing. A bright, naturally lit floor plan with smooth pink colours remind you of a sunny, bright day at the beach. The millwork and custom built-ins are throughout the home, giving it a warm and inviting feeling. The large formal dining area from the foyer includes an arched window with plenty of light and ample room for your guests for a sit-down dinner. The kitchen has custom Cypress cabinetry throughout, newly installed cool neutral tone tiles, a gas stove cooktop, separate pantry and a large eating area as well, which is currently being used as a keeping and eating room. Off from the kitchen is a built-in computer desk with more Cypress cabinets and a custom high-end barn door feature has been installed to cover the laundry area. Adjacent to the laundry is a large bedroom which is currently being used as an office space. The guest bathroom has been fully remodeled with a modern walk-in style shower which has been beautifully complemented with granite tiling and glass accents, and has also been fitted with modern stainless steel fixtures. This triple split floor plan has two other bedrooms apart from the master that are separated by a Jack and Jill bathroom. The spacious and well-lit master bedroom with attached ensuite master bathroom feels like you are stepping out of a vacation magazine. Painted in cool, relaxing pink colours and tiled flooring, the master bath boasts rich, dark tiles, standalone shower, large tub, water closet, spacious walk-in closet and a modern colour scheme as well. Exiting the master bedroom is one of the many ways leading you to the sizable backyard, and you'll have a hard time wanting to leave the scenic view of the community pond and your own private swimming pool. Call for your private showing appointment on 225-246-1812. This custom design home is one you will definitely want to see for yourself.